Hey, what's good people? I'm Darius. Welcome back to the channel. It's Thursday, so this means it's time for a new Graffiti Tip. This week we will be talking a bit about these lines within the 3D of the letters, which you've probably seen in a lot of pieces and maybe wondered if there's any principle behind them. Well, they do make your 3D more interesting and more complex if done properly. And some principles they abide by are related to shading, lighting, and the vanishing point of your 3D. Lines like these ones over here indicate that a part of the letter projects a shade on your 3D, while these lines suggest that this part of the 3D is more exposed to the light source. Since they are geometrical representations of the shading as opposed to realistic shading, they will have to be parallel with your 3D and their direction should be towards the vanishing point that you picked. But these are some general rules and by all means feel free to use them any way you like as long as they look right. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Make sure you come back next week for another Graffiti Tip, and if you like this video please consider subscribing. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.